All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chevy Cruze. It is the LT model, this beautiful charcoal gray with black interior, premium sound system, steering controls, got backup camera, alloy wheels, only 39,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty darn good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Seems to have a couple of little road chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 little chippies. Maybe these two, I'll say 16, 17, 18. All right, 18 road chips here in the hood. Your front driver's rim, very nice. Do I see some curbing? I do. Check out some curbing right here, about 3, 6. Some more over here, about 3. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 5/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks pretty good. This quarter looks okay. Does seem to have some previous paintwork here. Substandard, I'll call it. A little bit wavy. All right. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing here. And your tire thread is just around 6/32. It's nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It looks good. We jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Or any issues in your mods of 39,629. Oh, your backup camera. Boom. Very nice. Turn on the lights. Keeping it moving. All right, check out. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, or rips. Looks good. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Coming around, rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Your deck lid looks okay. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools and such. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Rim. Have some curbing. Minimum curbing, just a couple of little dabs. Tire thread here seems to be over 7/32. Let me double check that. Yeah, it's over 7/32. See some waviness here to this. To here, I'll say this is substandard as well. This door looks good. Here's the other side, the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front passenger door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Your front fender looks good. Front passenger rim, very nice. Does have curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to go off all that. But tire thread is about 5/32, and some curbing here, 3, 6, about 9, and some more over here. All right, lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2016 Chevy Cruze LT model with 39,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.